Purok VX67 is a hybrid acrylic adhesive that is ideal for bonding and sealing decorative surfaces. It is designed for applications that need a non-sagging and UV-stable adhesive to bond decorative surfaces like stone, granite, quartz, and other solid surfaces. It is a 2-component 10:1 ratio structural adhesive that is available in 50ml, 250ml and 490ml cartridges, as well as bulk options. Purok VX67 has 2 cure speeds available. VX6715 can reach handling strength in just 15 minutes, and VX6730 in 30 minutes. It has very good UV stability, it is matchable to any colour, it is food safe, and has good chemical resistance. It can't be used for flexible structural applications. It can have a strong odour, and it can't be colour matched on site. If you're looking for a fast curing and easy to use decorative surface adhesive that has very high UV resistance, or you need a colour matched seal on decorative surfaces, Purok VX67 is a perfect adhesive for you. If you want a more flexible adhesive, or you don't like the smell, there are other adhesives available. For more information about Purok VX67, you should go ahead and download the datasheet.